All right, SWFTCoin update. So let's take a look-see. We're off to the races just in the past few hours here. We've jumped up 16% out of nowhere. But sometimes these little moves like this, see this big candle? It's not always bearish. You have to have context. Sometimes they can be a sneak peek of what's to come. Case in point right here, right? That candle look familiar? Right? It's not necessarily always bearish, right? This candle at the top of a weeks-long, multiple weeks, multiple months-long rally, and you see something like that, okay, you might want to take a look around. But just getting started for a few days, sometimes the bulls are trying to go and it's just not quite time yet. But maybe not so far away. Especially with the EMA 8 crossing up here. We're sorting out all the moving averages. Looks pretty damn good. Does this look familiar? Right? When they start to cross and get sorted out. Big move. Maybe just starting. You never know. So I guess that's the end of the story, right? It looks pretty damn good. We'd like to see a, great breakout back here, right? It just swiped out all of this multiple weeks of consolidation, cleared the 382 easily, back to the 21 EMA, back to this major zone on the higher time frame. And as we zoom in here, right, big move out. Let's watch for the close. We obviously don't want to see another sell-off here. But if we can close again up above like 75, 7,600, that would be pretty stellar. But just back above all moving averages would be all we really need. 72.50. Let's get some momentum going back to the high side. And then I guess let's zoom out to the weekly. I mean, it looks even better. A breakout, a textbook throwback. Remember, a throwback is just a bullish retest. This is literally by the book. You couldn't even make it better. Giant power candle outside of it. Consolidation back to the uppermost moving averages above the 0.5 fib reach. You can't even, there's literally nothing wrong with it. And if you're going to write a movie script on it, this is how you would do it. And no one would believe you, right? It's like those poker movies that everyone gets a full house. Never happened. This is the poker movie. It looks really good. The 1618, just a modest, 120% move from here. A la candle. Okay, so if it can't be more bullish, like it looks pretty good. If you get another chance, like what if you want to buy in more? What if it goes down? Okay, let's look at the bear. Where do we get more at? Do we get more now? Generally, buying any green candle is not advised. You had a week to buy some down here at the 200-day EMA. Anytime in a bull run, certainly phase 3, and you have an opportunity to buy at the 200-day EMA after certainly a move like this, Giga alert. You need to, slap yourself if you're wanting to buy and it's down 40% at the 200-day EMA. What are we doing? Right? You're using your emotion and not your system, right? Your system. Like you made an explosive move, a textbook throwback right to the 200-day EMA for 4 days straight. This is the result. Like this is not surprising, but not really, right? Maybe say shocking, not surprising. Let's go with that. Okay, so it looks great. If you want to buy more and you're lucky enough, you better be buying more down here. If we get down in there, but we might not get that chance. And so if we can't buy here, where do we buy? Retests of the EMA 8. Certainly if we go much higher, like your dollar cost averaging at the EMA 8 or 21. And this works for any altcoin, but definitely the more bullish ones. Strong charts. All right, we're not that far. If we get back up here again, right, we need to turn the chart blue. It's very close.